Have you been feeling unusually drained lately, even after getting plenty of sleep? Are you finding it harder to stay focused, running low on energy throughout the day, or relying on extra cups of coffee just to keep going? While many people assume these symptoms are simply part of a busy lifestyle or getting older, an underlying iron deficiency could be playing a role. Iron is a vital mineral that helps transport oxygen throughout the body, supports healthy brain function, and contributes to steady energy production. When iron levels begin to drop, it's common to experience fatigue, weakness, reduced concentration, and a general lack of vitality. Fortunately, nature provides plenty of foods that are rich in iron and other important nutrients that help fuel the body and support overall wellness. In this video, we'll explore 7 incredible iron-packed superfoods that may help support healthy iron levels, improve energy, and promote better overall health. Be sure to watch until the end, because the final food on our list is one that often surprises people with its remarkable nutritional value. 1. Spinach. When discussions turn to foods rich in iron, spinach is usually one of the first ingredients people mention, and its reputation is well-deserved. This nutrient-packed leafy green has long been associated with strength, endurance, and overall wellness, making it a staple in healthy diets around the world. Spinach delivers a respectable amount of iron while also providing an impressive collection of other important nutrients, including vitamin C, folate, magnesium, potassium, vitamin K, and powerful antioxidants. Together, these compounds help support red blood cell formation, healthy muscle function, cognitive performance, and efficient energy production throughout the body. One reason spinach stands out among vegetables is its exceptional nutrient density. It offers a significant nutritional payoff while remaining very low in calories. This makes it easy to add generous portions to meals without dramatically increasing calorie intake, making spinach an excellent choice for people focused on health, weight management, or improving their overall diet. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, the protein inside red blood cells that transports oxygen from the lungs to tissues throughout the body. When iron levels become too low, oxygen delivery can be reduced, often resulting in fatigue, weakness, reduced stamina, and difficulty concentrating. Including iron-rich foods like spinach in your diet can help support healthy oxygen transport and sustained energy levels. Spinach is also packed with chlorophyll, the natural pigment responsible for its vibrant green color. In addition to chlorophyll, it contains antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which are well known for supporting eye health and helping protect cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Another major advantage of spinach is its flexibility in the kitchen. It can be enjoyed fresh in salads, blended into smoothies, stirred into soups, folded into omelets, mixed into pasta dishes, added to casseroles, or lightly sautéed as a side dish. Even a modest serving can significantly improve the nutritional profile of a meal. Interestingly, preparing spinach in different ways may influence nutrient availability. While raw spinach offers plenty of benefits, lightly cooking it can help release certain minerals and antioxidants, making them easier for the body to absorb. For optimal iron absorption, spinach pairs exceptionally well with foods rich in vitamin C. Adding lemon juice, oranges, strawberries, kiwi, tomatoes, or bell peppers to meals containing spinach can enhance the body's ability to utilize the iron present in the leaves. This simple strategy can help maximize the nutritional benefits over time. If you're looking for a natural and practical way to support healthy iron levels and maintain steady energy throughout the day, spinach is one of the best foods you can keep on hand. 2. Lentils. Lentils may be small in size, but they are among the most nutritionally impressive foods available. For centuries, cultures around the world have relied on lentils as an important source of nourishment because they are affordable, versatile, satisfying, and packed with valuable nutrients. A single cup of cooked lentils supplies a healthy amount of iron along with protein, fiber, folate, magnesium, potassium, and complex carbohydrates. This combination makes lentils particularly valuable for maintaining long-lasting energy rather than producing short-lived bursts followed by crashes. Unlike highly refined carbohydrates that can cause blood sugar levels to rise and fall rapidly, lentils digest slowly. Their high fiber content helps regulate glucose absorption, promoting more stable energy throughout the day and helping reduce sudden hunger or fatigue. The iron in lentils contributes to healthy red blood cell production, while their protein supports muscle maintenance and repair. Folate works alongside iron to support blood health and proper cellular function, making lentils especially beneficial for individuals seeking to improve energy levels and overall vitality. Lentils are also one of the most effective plant-based sources of protein available. For vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to reduce meat consumption, they offer a practical way to increase both protein and iron intake simultaneously. Digestive health benefits add even more value. The substantial fiber content helps support beneficial gut bacteria and encourages regular digestion. A healthy digestive system plays an important role in nutrient absorption, helping the body make better use of the nutrients it receives. One of lentils' greatest strengths is their versatility. They fit naturally into soups, stews, curries, casseroles, grain bowls, salads, and plant-based patties. Because they readily absorb seasonings and spices, they work well in countless cuisines and recipes. Many people also appreciate how filling lentils can be. Meals built around lentils often provide long-lasting satisfaction, helping curb unnecessary snacking and supporting more consistent energy throughout the day. Their affordability and long shelf life make them one of the most practical, nutrient-dense foods available. Whether your goal is better nutrition, improved energy, or increased iron intake, lentils remain one of the smartest additions you can make to your diet. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds may be small, but they deliver an impressive concentration of nutrients that support energy production, immune function, and overall health. These tiny seeds are among the most nutrient-dense snacks available and provide a convenient way to increase iron intake naturally. Packed into every serving are iron, magnesium, zinc, copper, protein, healthy fats, antioxidants, and several essential vitamins. Together, these nutrients support multiple systems throughout the body, including metabolism, muscle function, immune defense, and cognitive performance. One of the standout nutrients found in pumpkin seeds is magnesium. This essential mineral participates in hundreds of biochemical reactions and plays a critical role in energy production, nerve signaling, muscle function, and cardiovascular health. Since many adults fail to consume adequate amounts of magnesium, pumpkin seeds can help fill an important nutritional gap. Zinc is another valuable component. This mineral supports immune function, wound healing, cellular repair, and healthy growth. Combined with iron, zinc helps make pumpkin seeds a particularly effective food for maintaining overall vitality and resilience. Pumpkin seeds also contain a beneficial balance of healthy fats. These fats provide a steady source of fuel and help promote feelings of fullness between meals. When combined with protein and fiber, they create a nutrient-rich snack that supports stable energy levels and prolonged satiety. Antioxidants found in pumpkin seeds provide additional benefits by helping protect cells from oxidative stress. Excessive oxidative stress can contribute to fatigue, inflammation, and accelerated aging. By helping neutralize free radicals, antioxidants support both short-term wellness and long-term health. One reason pumpkin seeds are so popular is their convenience. They require no preparation and can easily be incorporated into everyday meals. Sprinkle them on salads, add them to yogurt, mix them into oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, stir them into trail mixes, or simply enjoy them on their own as a nutritious snack. For individuals looking to increase their iron intake without making major dietary changes, pumpkin seeds offer one of the easiest and most accessible solutions. Even a modest daily serving can provide meaningful amounts of iron, along with numerous other beneficial nutrients. Their combination of iron, magnesium, zinc, protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants makes pumpkin seeds one of the most well-rounded superfoods available. If you're searching for a simple food that can help support healthy energy levels and overall wellness, pumpkin seeds are certainly worth adding to your routine. 4. Lean red meat. When it comes to foods naturally rich in iron, few options can match the nutritional power of lean red meat. One of its biggest advantages is that it contains heme iron, a type of iron that the body absorbs much more efficiently than the non-heme iron found in most plant foods. Because of this superior absorption, lean red meat is often considered one of the most effective foods for maintaining healthy iron levels and reducing the risk of iron deficiency. Health professionals frequently recommend lean red meat to individuals with low iron levels because the body can access and utilize its iron more readily. While plant-based foods certainly contribute valuable nutrients, the iron found in red meat is generally easier for the body to absorb and put to use. Beyond iron, lean red meat supplies a wide range of essential nutrients, including complete protein, vitamin B12, zinc, selenium, phosphorus, and several B vitamins. Together, these nutrients help support muscle maintenance, nervous system function, cellular repair, and efficient energy production. Vitamin B12 is particularly important because it plays a key role in red blood cell formation and neurological health. Interestingly, symptoms of low vitamin B12 can closely resemble those of iron deficiency, often including fatigue, weakness, poor concentration, dizziness, and reduced stamina. Foods that provide both nutrients can therefore offer significant support for overall energy and well-being. The protein content of lean red meat is equally beneficial. Protein provides the amino acids needed to build and repair tissues, preserve muscle mass, support immune function, and regulate countless bodily processes. Since protein digests more slowly than simple carbohydrates, it also helps promote satiety and maintain stable energy levels. Another reason lean red meat is valued is its nutrient density. Even a moderate serving delivers substantial amounts of important vitamins and minerals, making it an efficient way to increase nutrient intake. Choosing lean cuts such as sirloin, tenderloin, eye of round, or extra lean ground beef allows you to enjoy the nutritional benefits while limiting excess saturated fat. Combined with vegetables and other whole foods, lean red meat can be part of a balanced and highly nutritious meal plan. To further enhance iron absorption, consider pairing red meat with vitamin C-rich foods such as bell peppers, tomatoes, broccoli, citrus fruits, or leafy greens. This combination can help maximize the body's ability to absorb and utilize iron effectively. 5. Oysters. Although oysters are widely known for their impressive zinc content, they are also among the richest natural sources of iron available. In fact, ounce for ounce, oysters often contain more iron than many foods commonly associated with this essential mineral. These nutrient-packed shellfish provide highly absorbable heme iron alongside zinc, vitamin B12, copper, selenium, omega-3 fatty acids, and high-quality protein. This exceptional combination makes oysters one of the most nutrient-dense foods found in nature. Iron helps transport oxygen throughout the body, zinc supports immune defenses and cellular repair, while vitamin B12 contributes to healthy nerve function and red blood cell production. Together, these nutrients help support energy levels, cognitive function, and overall vitality. One remarkable characteristic of oysters is how much nutrition they provide in a relatively small serving. This concentration of nutrients has made them a valued food source for coastal communities for centuries. Long before modern nutrition research existed, many cultures recognized oysters as a food associated with strength, endurance, and overall wellness. Copper, another important mineral found in oysters, deserves special mention. Although it often receives less attention than other nutrients, copper helps the body utilize iron efficiently and contributes to healthy red blood cell formation. This makes oysters particularly valuable because they provide multiple nutrients that work together to support oxygen transport and energy production. Oysters also contain powerful antioxidants that help protect cells against oxidative stress. Excessive oxidative stress has been linked to fatigue, inflammation, and accelerated aging, making antioxidant-rich foods an important part of a balanced diet. Whether enjoyed raw, grilled, baked, steamed, or incorporated into seafood dishes, oysters provide a unique culinary experience while delivering an impressive array of nutrients. While they may not appear on most dinner plates every day, even occasional consumption can contribute meaningful amounts of iron, zinc, and other nutrients that support overall health and vitality. 6. Quinoa. Unlike many traditional grains, quinoa stands out because it is classified as a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own. While this characteristic alone makes quinoa remarkable, it also supplies iron, magnesium, phosphorus, manganese, fiber, and a variety of antioxidants. Originally cultivated thousands of years ago in the Andes Mountains, quinoa was highly prized by ancient civilizations, which often referred to it as the mother grain. Today, it remains one of the most nutrient-rich plant foods available. Quinoa supports steady energy production thanks to its balanced combination of complex carbohydrates, protein, and fiber. This nutrient profile promotes slower digestion and a gradual release of energy, helping to avoid the rapid spikes and crashes associated with refined grains and highly processed foods. Its iron content contributes to healthy oxygen transport throughout the body, while magnesium participates in hundreds of biochemical reactions involved in energy production, muscle function, and overall metabolic health. Quinoa is also an excellent source of manganese, a trace mineral that supports metabolism and helps protect cells through its antioxidant functions. These nutrients work together to help the body efficiently convert food into usable energy. One of quinoa's greatest strengths is its versatility. It can be served as a breakfast cereal, added to salads, incorporated into soups, used as a side dish, or featured in grain bowls and other creative recipes. Its mild flavor pairs well with both savory and sweet ingredients. Because quinoa is naturally gluten-free, it has become a popular alternative for individuals avoiding wheat or other gluten-containing grains. Many people find that quinoa-based meals leave them feeling energized, satisfied, and mentally alert. Its fiber content also contributes to digestive health, supports feelings of fullness, and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Together, these qualities make quinoa an excellent foundation for meals that promote both energy and long-term wellness. For those seeking a plant-based food that delivers both iron and high-quality protein, quinoa remains one of the most impressive options available. 7. Spirulina. If there is one food that truly earns the title of superfood, spirulina is certainly a strong contender. This blue-green algae has been consumed for centuries and is often regarded as one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Despite its simple appearance, spirulina contains an extraordinary concentration of protein, iron, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Gram for gram, spirulina delivers an impressive amount of nutrition. This remarkable density is one reason it has become increasingly popular among athletes, fitness enthusiasts, and health-conscious individuals seeking to maximize nutrient intake. Its iron content helps support healthy red blood cell production and efficient oxygen delivery throughout the body. At the same time, its high protein content provides essential amino acids needed for muscle maintenance, tissue repair, and numerous biological functions. In fact, spirulina contains approximately 60.70% protein by weight, making it one of the richest natural protein sources available. Spirulina is also rich in B vitamins, which play essential roles in converting food into energy and supporting overall metabolic health. These nutrients help the body efficiently utilize the food we eat and maintain healthy energy levels. One of spirulina's most unique compounds is phycocyanin, the pigment responsible for its distinctive blue-green color. Research suggests that phycocyanin possesses powerful antioxidant properties that may help reduce oxidative stress and support healthy cellular function. Because oxidative stress can contribute to fatigue and premature aging, antioxidant-rich foods like spirulina may provide valuable support for long-term wellness. Another advantage is convenience. Spirulina is commonly sold as a powder or tablet and can easily be added to smoothies, juices, yogurt, oatmeal, or homemade energy snacks. Even small servings provide a concentrated nutritional boost. Many people appreciate spirulina because it allows them to obtain significant amounts of nutrients without consuming large quantities of food. This makes it especially appealing for busy individuals looking for simple ways to support their health. While spirulina should not be viewed as a cure-all for fatigue, its extraordinary nutritional profile makes it one of the most impressive superfoods available today. When combined with healthy lifestyle habits, adequate sleep, regular exercise, and a balanced diet, spirulina can be a valuable addition to a wellness-focused routine.